Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant D with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat the consonant D in Spanish. Ready? D. Again. D. Great job! Now let's combine the consonant D with the vowels. Repeat after me. Da. De. Di. Do. Do. Great job! Now, let's read a sentence where we'll find the syllable da, like in dados. Me gusta jugar con los dados.
I like to play with dice.
Next, repeat after me. De. Again, de. Very good. Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable de. Like in delicioso. El pie de queso es delicioso.
The cheesecake is delicious. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. D. Again, D. Great job! Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable D. Like in diseñar. A ella le encanta diseñar vestidos.
She loves to design dresses.
Now, repeat after me. Do. Again, do. Nice job! Let's read a sentence where we'll find syllable do. Like in domingos. Nos gusta nadar los domingos.
We love to swim on Sundays.
Next, do. Repeat after me. Do. Again, do. Well done. Let's read a sentence where we'll find the syllable do. Like in durazno. Mi fruta favorita es el durazno.
My favorite fruit is peach. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!